In California, it's presumed that the person who hit someone else from behind is liable. However, that presumption is a rebuttable presumption, which means that if you have evidence to support your claim that the other person is at fault, you can use that evidence to show that the other person was at fault. So there are cases where someone maybe cut in front of you and slammed on their brakes. So there may be many reasons why the presumption that you were at fault is not correct. So yes, absolutely, there are some reasons why you may be able to file a lawsuit or a claim. Things like having video cameras in your car, like dash cams and stuff, those things are very helpful to rebutting that presumptions.